Hello and welcome to your early tropical warning for October 22nd, 2017. Before this video does start, this is proudly sponsored by Floyd Glass and Window. Check them out in the link below. Let's get right into it right now. Currently, here's the system that I'm looking at. This is probably going to form into something here within the next 6 to 7 days. I guess it's not likely, it's possible, and you can see that tongue of thunderstorms. That's really what we're going to need to be watching. The Hurricane Center hasn't designated it as anything yet, because while it's not an immediate threat, and it probably won't be for the next 5 days or so. Getting into the outlook for this, 30% chance of formation here in about 6 to 7 days, and then you can see its track in general. If you're within this red area or you're just outside of it, you need to be watching this closely, especially if the Hurricane Center does designate it as something, which I wouldn't be surprised if they do fairly soon. And in the most basic terms, another Florida landfall is not out of the question. Getting into sea surface temperatures, those are looking excellent for the system at this time, and well, they're probably going to be good when the conditions do become very favorable for development. Wind shear does not really matter right now, as well things can change quite a bit within the next 7 days. Getting into the ECMWF prediction for this, you can see it's expecting a Category 2. This is about 8 days out, with winds of 105 miles per hour. You can see how it looks there. Very nice looking hurricane, and it's really got a nice well-defined eye wall, which you can see there in the white area, although it doesn't cover all 4 quadrants, so maybe it won't be quite as strong as a Category 2. We'll just have to see. That is if this thing even forms at all. That is what the ECMWF does expect. Check me out on social media at Microcasting on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. This is Microcasting St. Louis, signing out.